pain, stiffness of muscle. What does it mean? Inflammation. So the moment inflammation of the joints, that means like gout, like rheumatoid arthritis. That means what is high? Uric acid, acidity. Okay, now a brief explanation on what is gout, what is arthritis. Okay, it means elevated amount of uric acid. Uric acid becomes crystallization and stick in all our joints. That is why the knee you hear karakru karakru. Because uric acid becomes crystal and stick in all our joints. So the moment stick in all our joints, inflammation occurs. So when we have the hot sensation, yes, if a person who is complaining with gout or arthritis, always ask them, the bottom of the feet, do you feel hot? Your palms, do you feel hot? So the hot sensation, that means this, it is correct. The joints and the inflammation is happening. Okay? And then pain in the shoulder. So you see, when I have, think logically now, when I have uric acid crystallization in my joints here, what is affected? My blood circulation flow, right? Because this one joint, there's a lot of, suddenly you have to pay so many tolls already. Before this was freeway. You were just moving along. Suddenly now got a lot of toll already. A lot of question, a lot of police block. Then you leceh. Yeah, I want to go lah. I take another road. So, poor blood circulatory system will start to occur. The moment poor blood circulatory system, what is the indication the body will give you? Numbness. Cramps. Correct? When you have numbness and cramps, it means the blood circulation.
Spasm.
Yes. The supplier is not doing its job. So this is where the numbness of the feet, the hands, if you notice, is the irregularities of the blood circulation. See, sometimes when you have gout or uric acid in your knees, your leg part, your feet will have a lot of numbness. Because why? There's a cut there. There's some challenge he has to go through. So you have to do something to break the uric acid naturally, holistically, and allow the proper blood circulation flow. Okay. Internally to consume, that one, as the time goes, you will learn. But externally, I will give you a hint. You use our DXN Himalayan salt. People will question, people got uric acid and I'm giving some more salt. That is external. So you can take Himalayan salt, good morning towel, put 2 scoops of Himalayan salt, heat it up. You know, people do the heat compression. We can do it to all our joints. Because our DXN Himalayan salt has the mineral elements to break down the uric acid, bring down the inflammation of the joints. Yes, correct.
Wet.
Not wet, dry. You warm the salt in the towel. You know how you do heat compression, right? The heat pack, inside there got some biji. So convert that to Himalayan salt. So you heat it up and then put it in your joints where it's pain. Once you do that, while the skin is still hot, you apply Gano oil. Why you apply Gano oil? Because Gano oil is able to absorb 7 layers of the skin straight to the circulation system. You must be able to explain this to them. Because they will say, oh, I have this oil, this X oil, this Y oil, this Z oil. So you must explain to them why it has to be Gano oil. absorb, penetrate 7 layers of our skin straight to the circulatory system, which means we are going to the core problem itself. But it won't be hot for long. I always like that you put it in a good morning towel, you just tie it up and heat it in the pan, and then you directly heat, and then you can put. So I have one of my patients who gave a brilliant suggestion. You know the iron box. So they'll just sit there with the iron box, just heat it up and do. Heat it up, do. Your ironing box. You know you iron your clothes? The iron, the satirica. No, you put the salt in the good morning towel there. You just heat it up. That's a lazy way.
Is it certain things the molecule is so small? It's nanotech. It's nanotech.
Because it's coming back to Ganoderma.